Today we are in London and I've got invited to the Major League Baseball and it's gonna be really fun. We need to be looking out for pheasants and good boys. These are all the stuff that we got from one of my dad's friends. He's on the camera. And this is a glove that they catch with. And then we've got this shirt that my dad's gonna wear. It has a team badge on the front. It's Detroit. And then my dad also got let's see. He also got New York Mets. This is the team for Mets. This badge. That's Mets, the one that I'm wearing on my head right now. And what I got.
On your head.
Yeah. And what I got was this Mets. That's a bit big for me. And I also got this Mets cup. It's not glasses, it's rubber. And then you can get little sips out of it. And also, we've got but first we have a signed ball. This is my dad's and mine and his friend Sam and Tony, Sam's friend. We also got this really old ball that they gave us. The one that I like is this hat that they got me, TB for Trip Bailey, and it's also a team, Tampa Bay. This is one of the hats that we got. That all of them. And that's all of them, I guess. So, thank you for all watching. And I want to thank Major League. Thank Europe. I want to thank MLB Europe and showing us around, giving us some stuff. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.